welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the recipe of a super quick snack, butter corn. Some of you must have eaten this at malls, at fairs, right? Now that we don't have much access to such events and places, let me show you how you can make butter corn very quickly, very easily at home itself. Let's look at the ingredients. Super easy to make that, right? If you want, you can add other ingredients like lemon juice or any kind of herbs if you want such taste to be there, even chaat masala. But I prefer this classic one, and that's why I showed you that. Feel free to go ahead and tweak it in your own way. Stay tuned for more recipes. Bye bye.